Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete audio in Filmora application using your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So the first thing you'll need to do is to open the Filmora application. Once you open up the home page, click on the New Project option. Import the video from which you want to remove the audio by tapping on the video clip from your device's gallery and tapping on Import. Once imported the video, tap on the video clip like this on the screen and then go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Extract Audio. You will then be able to separate the audio track from the video. The audio track will now appear as a separate clip below the video in the timeline. Tap on the detached audio clip and then click on the trash can icon at the bottom. Once the audio is deleted, preview your video to ensure that it is as you want it. Finally, click on Export at the top right corner. Export your video by tapping on the export options at the bottom, and that is how you will be able to easily delete the audio from a video using the Filmora application on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.